Igbo is not a landlock. Those people waiting say that Igbolañd no go develop or something good, or the lies where they don't talk about Igbolañd are on shame as we dey talk right now. Do you know that in Anam, in Anambra State, there is a beach over there and people are enjoying themselves in this particular beach? Somebody will come and tell you that Igbo don't have CO, there is no water, there is no this thing, there is no... All those things is a propaganda and lie they have labeled against us. Thank God for social media that truth are coming out. But I want to tell the bloggers in Anambra State, go and locate what is in your land and post it to the world. Stop posting native doctors. My people, let's go and find out how. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. This one na Johnny news, and this one na happy news. As we dey talk now for Anam, for inside Anambra State, a beach. A beach where they don't open for inside that place where people they go enjoy with their family. This place where they show you right now, no be for Lake Yo, no be for Lagos. So this is happening in Anam, in Anambra State. If you see this beach, very beautiful. Igbolañd is blessed and Biafra land is also blessed. Watch this video that I'm going to play right now.
Okay, Mayor, I can from which local government? Chairman Anambra Urumba South local government, Anambra State. First Lady in the Urumba, you are welcome to Anam Beach Party. You are welcome. Engineer, I have a okay. Give a princess. Oh my God.
some dancing now. Come on stage, come on stage. All the children in the house, better see you. Say, what's the guinea? Oh, yeah, no.
Wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, this place where they see no be Lake you. This place now where they see now for inside Anambra State. I'm going to tell you what somebody said about this video. The person said that in few years to come, Igbo people will build mansions around this area. And what that person said is truth. Because do you know that some of our people that they travel that when they are maybe say, let me say 10 years, they don't know anywhere. Most of them are born overseas, but they are multi-billionaires. But because of the lies some people write on social media, some people say on social media, these people have buy on it, but when they are seeing all those things, they will realize that, oh, this is my fatherland, and they have to come back and invest in their land. Thank God for social media. There's a challenge ongoing in social media today where Igbos are traveling, showing their wealth, showing their mansions, showing how they are moving out of where they live in a convoy. Is what is trending on social media right now. You see? So all those people who are lying against Igbo, I don't know what you will gain on it. But I'm so happy for it because it makes our people, they cannot discover things that is in their areas, things in their villages, things they can bring to the world. This beach is in Anambra State, in Anam, and Anam in Anambra State. My people, share this video and make sure you are following this channel and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. I want this video to get million share. The lies that propaganda these people have given to us is over. Is what? Over. God bless the people that opened this place, and the goodest thing about this place is free. That's how it's supposed to be. Beach are not made for business, it's meant for, if you have something selling, fine, sell it at the beach so that they will use to clean the beach as well. Sell your product, but do not make it to be free. Igbolañd will be more better if we keep on locating what we have and bringing artists out for the world to see that they are lying against us. Thank you so much for watching, and share this video. Follow our Facebook page and also make sure say you turn your notification bell. Thank you so much.